Meaning of fit.
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 Fit. The term fit can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to physical fitness, which is the ability of a person to perform various activities without experiencing exhaustion or undue stress. It can also refer to the suitability of someone or something for a particular task or purpose. In this context, fit implies that the person or thing in question meets certain criteria or standards. Finally, it can refer to the process of making something match or align with another thing. In summary, fit can denote physical prowess, suitability, or alignment.